So this project is about creating platforms that local businesses in Zambia can use to sell their goods locally and internationally as well. And that is the project in short. All right, so the project has multiple dimensions to it, so let's break that down. So the first platform we are looking at is the local e-commerce platform. This is where you are in Lusaka, you're a business in Lusaka, and you want to sell something to someone in Kitwe. That is the first platform. Someone will go onto the website, www.dczambia, and purchase that item from you. So the second aspect of the platform is what we call our international platform or our global platform. This is going to be run out of our office in the United States. So it's really for targeting local businesses that want to try and export their product to clients anywhere. One of the things that I ask myself is, if you sell, let's say, moringa powder, you sell chitenges, why can't someone in Switzerland, someone in Ireland, someone in Canada buy goods from you? And this is what the second aspect of our platform is about, the ability to sell your goods globally, and that will be an option to the local businesses out there. So the third aspect of our project is what we call click and collect. So click and collect is where some of the goods are held at a physical location. It might be at our very office right here in Lusaka. It might be at our office in Kitwe. But this is where a consumer can actually come in, look at your products, on a sample of your products on the shelf, and look at your catalog on the computer and actually pay and make their order right there and then. And really the reason we're doing that is because we are trying to grow the e-commerce business, but people need to understand what e-commerce is. So they need to be able to go somewhere where you can explain it to them and they can order in person. And so that is really the third aspect of the project. And the SMEs and the businesses we are working with will have access to all of these platforms, the local platform, the international platform, as well as the click and collect opportunities that arise. The expectations for the entrepreneurs or for the SMEs coming onto the platform is really to work hard. They're going to have to come to an orientation to understand how the platform works and how to better manage it. And one of the things that we are really going to push is this emphasis on sales, building a sales plan, building what's called an activity metrics plan. And from a sales perspective, that is what we call activity times frequency equals results. How they're going to do that. And an example of that might be, how many times do you post on Facebook? How often do you respond to emails? How often do you publish a catalog? So it's really going to be on focusing on those elements that drive sales. And that is really the big expectation for the SMEs. So there is no cost to the SME to actually participate. In fact, let me rephrase that. There is no upfront cost to the SMEs to participate. If they're going to come in and we're going to provide those resources are actually free. The only thing they have to keep in mind is when there is a transaction that occurs, then they do have to pay a commission on that transaction. The vision for the project is really to just see local SMEs make money. That is it. It's about giving them the platforms and the tools to do that. And I strongly believe technology is a way of being able to do that. The world is a smaller place because of technology. If you're a fashion designer, for example, or you sell chitenges, why can't someone in Switzerland buy that chitenge? And I think e-commerce can do that. And that is really the vision. Well, I think that the big impact that we are looking for is really employment creation. And employment creation comes from being able to grow businesses. When I think about .com, I started with 1 employee, 2 employees 5 years ago, and over time we've gotten over 20. And part of that is because as a company we've grown. So when I think about what we're trying to do here, if you help local businesses make more money, they have to grow, they have to have more resources, and in turn they have to employ more people. And that is what really secretly what I would like to see happen with this project. Well, in terms of supporting the project, I've really got to give a big thank you to PEP Zambia and UK Aid for funding part of this project. This is a project that I've been trying to make happen for a long time now, in fact, over 3 years. And it hasn't been easy, and in part because of the amount of resources required and the amount of support that we needed to provide to the local business community to get this right. And so without their help, we wouldn't be where they are. But then again, there are also a lot of parties that are coming forward to help now, and over time we're going to continue to acknowledge them, because a project like this doesn't succeed because of our efforts. It succeeds because of the efforts of others, and obviously PEP Zambia have stepped up, and other entities are going to step up as well as we go. Right, so to apply, there should be a link coming up below. It's www.ebusinesszambia.com. Go right there to fill in your application. And in terms of more information, just come in and see us. We're right behind Mandale, the .com Zambia office. You can also go to our Kitwe outlet. You can also send us an email, sales@dczambia.com. Those are the best ways to get in contact with us. And if you want a phone number, dial 0979 993338.